Okay, so once you have your LLC formed and you have your document with your state information on there, you're going to go next to get your employee ID number. And what I want to do first is just show you what the LLC looks like. Okay, so once you have your articles of incorporation, your document is going to look like this, very similar to this. And then you are then going to take this information and you're going to go over and file for your EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number. That gets completed through the IRS. Now, I know you're not going to have employees, but you have to, it's basically your social security number for your business. So it's an EIN. People also call it an FEIN, which is Federal Employer Identification Number. So you'll see it both ways, FEIN and EIN. This instruction here on the IRS is going to tell you exactly how to do this. So you can click here and do the responsible party. It's going to tell you what you need and then what your responsibility of that role is. And then when you're ready, you're going to go and fill out the application for this. Okay, so here it's going to tell you need to know what business entity type is. If you register for an LLC, that's what you're registering as. If you registered as a corporation, you're going to do that, but my guess is you did an LLC. And then you're just going to click this button here. It's telling me it's unavailable right now. But essentially, you're just going to fill out the application online. And what I'll do is an addendum to this video once the system is back up and running. Once you have your EIN, you can actually, once you're completed here, you can actually download your EIN right from the system when you've completed. And it's going to look like this. So here is it's going to come from the IRS. It's going to have your company name, your address. It's going to say what date was this formed. And then you're going to have your employer identification number. So I'm going to cross this out in the video because obviously it's like my social security number, so I don't want everyone to see it. But it's going to have your EIN number here. What I highly suggest is you save this information for future reference.